In front of me is Redmi 13 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by launching Gallery app and clicking on Photos or Albums. Either way, when you're ready, you need to hold one of your pictures that you wish to get rid of and tap on Select All at the top right corner. To keep some photos, tap on the chosen ones, and to get rid of the rest, use Remove button at the bottom right corner. Then hit Remove. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!